Hey everybody, how's it going? The end of December, the end of 2021, which of course means 2022, right around the corner, January. And that means a lot of different things to a lot of different people. A new year, January. What does it mean to you? For me, and I'm Heather, I'm the Bent Yogi, it means how can I get more yoga to more people? That's my intention for the new year. And it's pretty much my intention all the time, but especially in January when I know that so many of you are looking for ways to feel better and feel stronger and just improve the quality of your life overall. Yoga can help you do that. And I'm going to help you do that. January 2022, I'm offering 2 yoga challenges. I'm calling it Yoga for Everybody. And you don't need to be able to do a headstand for either challenge. My first challenge, 21 days, geared towards beginners, people who've never done yoga before, and also people who've gotten away from the yoga practice. It's 21 days. We start on January 3rd and we end on January 31st. Now, I'm not good at math, but right, it doesn't add up to 21 days. How's that work then? Well, 5 days of yoga a week, Monday through Friday. A new video goes up every day, and we start small. Just 10 minutes of practice a day. You can do that. Monday through Friday, a new practice, and then you have the weekend to redo a practice if you like, to make up a day if you missed it, or just take the weekend off. So that's my beginner challenge, 21 days, January 3rd through January 31st. Now, for those of you who are already practicing yoga, those of you who are yoga enthusiasts, maybe advanced students, that's my other challenge. And that one is 31 days, January 1st through January 31st. It's 30 minutes a day for the most part, and it's a mix of new classes with me and classes that we pull from other playlists, like my Friday Power Flows. January 1st, new practice with me, strong practices, 30 minutes, 6 days a week, it'll be Power Flows, and then 1 day a week, a gentle and restorative class. So there you have it. My intention for the new year. I hope your intentions align with mine, and I hope you'll join me for one of my challenges. Yoga for everybody. That includes you. I'm Heather. I'm the Bent Yogi. I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below. What are some of your other intentions for the new year? And subscribe if you haven't done that already. And most important, take care of yourself, take care of each other. And I'll see you on your mat.